Hi guys, Joe here. I just want to show off this multi-tool from Nextool. This is the Nextool Knight. This is a slim, lightweight multi-tool. So what attracted me to this was the blade, honestly. That has a really nice blade. You can see it's a bit dirty. I have been using it at work as an EDC type blade. Well, multi-tool. It is a liner lock. You can open it with one hand. I'm just not good at that. It does come with a big pair of scissors. So you see, you open it that far, like that, but it won't actually go in until you open this up and it clicks in. And now you have a very large pair of scissors. So that's handy. Again, that's liner lock. So just do that. So on the bottom here, before I forget, you do have a bead, and that's supposed to be a glass breaker. On here is going to be most of your tools. These are non-locking, but you do have a good amount of tools. We'll get this out of the way first. Here's your ruler. You have imperial and metric, and then you have a very nice Phillips screwdriver head there. So you can do it 90 and you can do it all the way out. And it's a really good Phillips actually. I used that to repair a dresser drawer. Next up, you have a file. It's a three-sided file, so you got there, there, and there. So again, so it's not a long file, but it is wide. Okay. On the opposite side, you have a all Reamer. So you use that bit for drilling in holes or something if you wanted to, and the hole is there for puncturing something and then doing sewing. There is your can opener. Has a nice blade on the side there. Here is your bottle opener and flathead screwdriver. On the opposite side, as you see there, just there, there's a wire stripper. So those are your tools. This is a 12-in-1 multi-tool. I had it for a few months now. I just wanted to use it before I show you guys. I did do, I think, a picture of it. I bought this from a camping site when we were out in another town. It only cost me 20 pounds. So I thought 20 pounds, you get a nice lightweight multi-tool. Doesn't have pliers, but again, this only weighs 130 grams or 4.62 ounces. So it's not too bad actually. Very nice pocket clip. So you just stuff in your pocket and just leave it there and not worry about it. But I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and I'll catch you next video.